Good afternoon, dear students. Dear students, welcome in online classes. My dear students, yesterday we have discussed about the great epic case, later Vedic case, and in later Vedic case we have discussed about the changes in the society, what was the position and status of women, caste system, and then after 4 ashram, and what was the Gurukul system of education. Now today our topic is what were the changes appear in later Vedic period in the political life of the later Vedic period. If we see in later Vedic period, there are so many political changes appear in the political life of the Aryans. In your book, page number 85, given in the last paragraph, changes in political life. If you see that in later Vedic period, the Aryan established large and powerful kingdom. Means in later Vedic period, the kingdoms of the Aryans appear and establish in a large size and so much powerful. The royal power increased with the establishment of large kingdom. राजाओं की शक्ति को अगर हम देखें तो उनकी शक्ति अर्ली वैदिक पीरियड की तुलना में लेटर वैदिक पीरियड में कुछ ज़्यादा ही इंक्रीज हो चुकी थी. क्यों? क्योंकि किंगडम भी लार्ज हो गए थे और साथ ही साथ जो पावरफुल किंगडम थे उसमें से कुछ राजाओं ने अपने टाइटल्स को अलग अलग नामों से लेना शुरू किया था. सी दैट द किंग पावर ऑफ द किंग ग्रेटली इंक्रीज्ड. रूलर्स give themselves titles like Ikrat, means the one ruler, Samrat, the king of kings, Suryabhumi, ruler of all the earth, and Chakravarti, protector of land. So the title given by the greatly increase and the ruler themselves, titles like Ikrat, Samrat, Sarvabhumi, Chakravarti, these all are the new titles give themselves to the rulers. And the kings perform yajna like Rajeshu, royal consecrations, Vajpaya, chariot race, and Ashwamedh, horse sacrifice. The coronation ceremony became a major social occasion. Means coronation, राज्याभिषेक एक बहुत बड़ी सेरेमनी के रूप में, सोशल ओकेजन के रूप में सेलिब्रेट किया जाने लगा. एंड टू प्रोटेक्ट द सब्जेक्ट बिकेम मोर ड्यूटी ऑफ द किंग. मीन्स द पावर increases into the later Vedic period. The kings also gave them titles themselves like that Ikrat, Samrat, Sarvabhumi, Chakravarti, and the responsibility of the king also increased during the time of the later Vedic period. And so many social, especially the coronation celebrated as a social occasion, major social occasion in later Vedic period, and also the becomes more duty of the king. Responsibility of the king is so much increases. Beside the officials, the Rig Vedic period, the new officials such as treasurer, charioteer, collector of taxes came into beings. Regular taxes were collected for the king. Means so many other officers also appears into the later Vedic period. Students, means if you see the political life in early Vedic period and in later Vedic period, then we find out that so many changes. In early Vedic period, the king was assisted by a few officials, and in early Vedic period, Sabha and Samiti were effective checks on king's authority. And in early Vedic period, king received money mainly through the land revenue. But in later Vedic period, the power and positions and the large kingdoms and an elaborate administrative machinery is established by the king into the later Vedic period. Sabha was converted into king's court and many other taxes were levied. And the taxes also collected by the revenue collector. So the political system of early Vedic period and the political system of the later Vedic period, we see that so many changes happened in the Vedic age. Okay, economic life same as it is, like that in agriculture field of the agriculture later Vedic period was marked by the emergence of agriculture as the dominant economic activity. The later Vedic Aryans grew crops such as virri, rice, wheat, millet and sugarcane. Great progress was made in the methods of cultivation. Means अगर कल्टीवेशन की बात करें तो लेटर वैदिक पीरियड में कल्टीवेशन का जो क्राइटेरिया था वो काफ़ी प्रोग्रेस कर चुका था. Craft also developed into the later Vedic periods. In craft, various new arts and crafts were adopted by the people, and people started using iron on a large scale in later Vedic period. Carpentry, leather working, making of jewelry flourished. Chariot making also developed in later Vedic period. Now, trade and commerce. Trade and commerce through started the barter system was still prevalent. Somewhere the reference of nishka means a piece of ornament as unit of value is also found, although it cannot be said with certainty when it developed, but barter system trade developed into the later Vedic period. So dear students, today we discussed about the political changes into the later Vedic period and economic life of the later Vedic period. Thank you.